The Hocus Pucker potion. That's what we're making today. You are not going to believe what we mixed together on this one. Okay, it's equal parts on all of these. What are we going to start with?
We are going to start with Grape Pucker. Oh my God, I don't know what I just counted to. Some plus.
Plus. And then absolute vodka. Lastly, we're going to add some triple sec. Whatever's left over, you get.
Oh,
It's already... Whoa!
that's the secret potion.
Secret potion. Ow! I can't feel my pinky.
Oh God.
I have my funny bone and it's not funny. Pour away, honey.
How do I do that?
However you want. Does that one look like it's going to hurt?
Yeah.
What did we call this again?
The Hocus Pucker potion.
Cheers. Oh, wow. That was smoother. Wow.
Yeah, I'm not sure it's smooth. Was the
Well,
word.
that was smoother than I thought it was going to be.
I don't know. I don't remember my name.
Holy cow. Whatever you do, don't think about it. Just be spontaneous. Does that one look like it's going to hurt?
Yeah.